Hi everybody, and welcome to video 6 in our Forget-Me-Nots series. You see the board, so you realize this is the flip through. This is my design team project for LineDotArrow for the month of May of 2024. Now there's 2 kits, but I've only used Forget-Me-Nots, and then my next design team project for the month is going to be Summer Blues, which is the other kit. Now, this is a challenge month, so you can find a new challenge every Saturday for the first 3 Saturdays of the month by Natalie on her YouTube channel. You can use the freebies that you can get at the LineDotArrow Junk Journal group, Facebook group, to do your challenges, or you can use the kit papers of either kit or both. So if you use either kit or both, you get 1 or 2 entries into the drawing at the end of the month. You also get 1 entry if you use the freebies and one of the kits together. And even better, there's 4 more Facebook groups participating, and there's a drawing in each one of those. So the same rules apply for the 1 and the 2 entries, and then you should post in the other groups, and those groups are listed below. Look at the link tree for Facebook challenges. Click that link and it'll take you to our links. You can just scroll down and you'll find us. Also remember to check out the design team projects, and the design team links are down there too. Oh no, the design team links and all of Natalie's links are at the LineDotArrow link tree link, including her Ko-Fi and all that, coffee and all that. Okay, so that's it for that. We're just going to do the brief one since this is the flip through. So now I didn't do the covers on camera because it was basically adding the paper, the front and the back, and adding the butterflies, and I figured there was no reason to make a 10-minute video on doing that. I've got my hand warmers on, but you can see my fingertips are purple. So on the cover we have the paper, obviously, and all these beautiful butterflies. Now every page of the Tall Slim is stamped, so it isn't quite as slim as it could be, but it's still slim. It's just a little chubby. And so I used this stamp that I got from Temu, and I just love it. It goes this long and this wide, and I just stamped it twice or once and a half. On this page, look at that, more butterflies. Same stamp along here, along the edge. Then we've got a top-loading pocket with a card. Need to open this to get the card out. There's 2 more butterflies. All the butterflies, or 3 more, all the butterflies have been treated with triple thick, which gives them that little shiny kind of a glow to them. It's not like using glossy accents that makes it look 3D, but this is more of a subtle effect. And you'll see the wings are up on this one and this one. The book just kind of flattens it out, and especially this one where the wings are up, curved, and down. You can achieve that effect by kind of mushing in on the wings when it's still damp with the triple thick. This opens, and I loved this paper, so I didn't do anything to it. It's the back of the envelope. On the back of the envelope, pretty cool. This is a belly band, and there's a large writing card, and this butterfly has been treated with the triple thick as well. This goes back in here. Gotta kind of give it a little hitch because of the flap from the envelope, which is small, but still. On this side, it's pretty fun. This envelope is removable. I used the stick and re-stick tape. I think there's a little card in here. Yes, there is. There's a little card. A writing area with some forget-me-nots on them. I love forget-me-nots. I was happy when I saw this kit. Use those re-stick dots and put that back on. There's some lace on here. And then you open, this is one large picture all the way down. I should have showed you that while I had the envelope off. This one, the magnets are pretty strong here because the paper isn't very thick in between them. So you open this one and you have a writing area. And you open this one and you have a writing area, and you see this is another single picture continuing all the way down. You open this one and you have a pocket with 2 cards, and the cards extend up past the second one. On this side you have a writing area. No, on this side we have a large belly band. Sorry about that. You know what? I think we have a belly band that I forgot to add oh, no, we have 2 pockets. It's a belly band with 2 pockets that I forgot to add cards to, so I'll have to come back and do that. You know, I went through this journal and looked for this and couldn't find it because I knew I needed 2 cards. So there it is. Now I found it. On this side here is just a butterfly page. I just thought it would be pretty to add some more flutterbys. On this side are 2 pockets, and this is a double pocket, this is a single pocket, and I stenciled these. I had so much fun. I haven't been using my stencils very much, and I stenciled this with a little vine stencil. Let's see if you can see it. It's kind of dainty. And I stenciled this area here. I papered it, and then I mean stamped. I keep saying stenciled and I meant stamped. And I stamped this and this up here. And so you've got 1, 2, 3 cards. And then you have a large writing card that comes out here. That we're always lucky when they go back in the pocket. That's why I'm not going to pull this one out. There's a large writing card in between these 2 pages. It's so large that I put 2 tabs on it. That's 1 writing card all the way down. We go back here. This is a large, tall, thin flip up. And the flip up has a belly band with a card. And then we have a large writing area here. And of course we have the stamp along here. On this side we have the stamp again. And then this opens. And I used a Velcro dot on this one because there was really no place to put the magnet. And here's this beautiful butterfly page, writing page. You know, if I'd have thought about it, I would have glued this on as a pocket. That would have been a great idea, so keep that in mind for in the future. I don't know why I didn't. That was so obvious. Anyway, and then we come to the last page, which is the other half of the front page. And of course we have the stamping again to finish it off. So that's my design team project for LineDotArrow for May of 2024, and it's called Forget Me Nots. And I hope you enjoyed this flip through and the journal, and I will see you in a few days with the flip through of my spring blues. Okay? All right. Well, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video series, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. You know what? Excuse me one more time. I forgot when I was telling you to post your pictures and all. When you post your pictures, you need to use the hashtag MayJournalChallenges2024 in your post in order for it to be an entry. So I'm sorry about that. I just noticed it. Okay? So I will see you in the next video series. All right. Bye-bye.